So we are going to start lesson first, the last lesson. This is class 12th, CBSC, NCRT book, the last lesson. And this lesson is written by Alphonse Daudet. So in simple way, we can see here what this is a French story. And this story is about, it is written here, the last lesson. So what is this last lesson? So there is a teacher named M. Hammer. He is going to give his last lesson. He is going to teach in class his last lesson. What M. Hammer is teaching to the students? Yes, M. Hammer is teaching to the students French. And what is French? French is a language. So M. Hamel is a French language teacher. So today, yes, there is a boy named French. So today, that teacher M. Hamel is going to deliver his last lesson. Why? Why he is going to deliver his last lecture? Why he is going to deliver his last lesson? Why he is going to teach them only last time? Why? Because their city, which city? That is Alsace, went into the hand of German people. And this story is a French story. And Alsace and Lorraine, there are two cities. These belongs to, these belong to, these belong to France. These belong to France. Yes, and when German attacked on them, what happened there? The Alsace and Lorraine went into the hand of German. Now it was ordered by the German government, by the German high authority, but Alsace and in Alsace and Lorraine, French language should be stopped and German language would be taught. So that's why the teacher M. Hammer is going to deliver his last lesson because tomorrow, before that, yes, you on the next day, there will be taught German language. So let's start the lesson from the starting. So I, who is I here? There's a boy, French, started for school very late. So that boy started for school very late. Mean to say that boy was late for school. That day, French was late for school. You can see photograph, a picture there. In that picture, there is a running boy. So we suppose this is French. This is French, and that French is going to school, and he is in hurry. Yes, you. That's why he was running. And on the other side, you can see a photograph of picture. There is a teacher who is standing on a chair. In front of him, there is a table, and he is waiting for something. So we suppose this is French. Sorry, M. Hammer. So see, I, French. A boy who is running started for school very late. He started for school very late that morning and was in great dread. And he was afraid, great dread, fear of a scolding. So a teacher, his teacher M. Hamel will scold him. M. Hamel will scold him. Yes, you. That's why he was in fear. And especially because M. Hamel, a special teacher is there. That teacher is M. Hamel. He would scold him. Why? What for he would scold him? Because he gave him homework. And what was the homework? Yes, you. He gave him homework in non-finite and non-finite participle. So that work was given to him, and he didn't do his homework. And second thing, he was late for school. That's why he was afraid. But for being scolded and for not doing homework. So that's why he was afraid to go to school. And I didn't know the first word about them. And M. Hammer, that boy, didn't know anything about participle. So how can he do the word participle? So he was late for school and he was going to school and he was thinking that yes, my teacher will ask me regarding participle about a single word about participle. So next one is you can see photograph there. In that photograph, there the soldiers, and these soldiers were drilling, mean to say rehearsing, prayed. Yes, you on the other side you can see this is a sawmill. It is a word here. For a moment, I thought of running away. For a moment, I thought of running away. Yes, you that boy. Who is I here? French. He thought that I should run away from the school. and spend the day out of doors. I should be out from the house and I should be out from the school. So I should spend my day out of doors. It was so warm because that day was very pleasant day. That's why he didn't want to go to school. He was thinking himself. Yes, the birds were chirping at the edge of the woods. The birds were chirping. The birds were chirping at the wood and the at the edge of the woods and in the open field back of the sawmill. Yes, this is the sawmill and back of the sawmill. But he can see the Persian soldiers were drilling. The German soldiers were drilling there. Were yes, doing rehearsal there. They were rehearsing there and the parade was going on. So they were doing the things there. So it was all much more tempting than the rule for participants. Those things he saw in the way. These things very attractive for him, very attractive for him, and that things very attractive than the rules for participants. Why? But I had the strength to resist. But he didn't leave the school. He didn't yes, spend away the school outside. Then that's why he went to the school. And what happened there? When he reached there, yes, when I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. There was now, dear, you can see the pictures. There's a building. It can be called town hall. And next, on the other side, there is a news. Or we mean to say this is a bulletin board. And yes, there was a bulletin board, and that bulletin board was with this building in town hall. And it is written here: when I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. So some peoples were gathered in front of the bulletin boards and they were reading a news. And where was that bulletin board? That bulletin board was with the town hall. So for the last 2 years, all our bad news had come from there. So all bad news from German came there, came there. Yes, we are getting news from the German people. We getting news from the German people through this notice board. The lost battles. So which which news we are getting day by day. Yes, is there lost battles, the draft, the order of the commanding officers. And I thought to myself without stopping, what can be the matter now? And now, when that boy, French, was running to school, yes, he was in a hurry. So that time he thought about what was the matter now? What news has come now from Berlin or from German? So he thought about this one. So today we will do up to here, and tomorrow we will do the next thing. Till then, good day. Have a nice day.